Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Sir, my name is Shamsuddin. I am from Kerala. I have a doubt that most of the company they are doing halal business but receiving interest income from other sources. So trading of shares of such company is halal? And can you say Islamic view between receiving profit from short-term trading and receiving dividend from long-term investment? Brother Shamsuddin, you have asked three questions. Your first question, any company doing halal business but receiving interest income from other sources. So it's very easy. Day before yesterday, I have explained same thing to someone. He asked me how we can calculate company's interest and company's debt. So I have explained already by moneycontrol.com how you can calculate debt and percentage of interest. So same thing you should be follow, and you should be take company's income resources from there. When you will see company's income resources by interest less than 33%, it's halal for you to trading in such companies. But if there are income resources more than 33%, so it's not allowed for you. And other thing, you should be calculate their percentage of income resources, and if there are income resources is by interest 10%, 20%, so it's compulsory. You should be do part of such amount from your profit you have earned by same company difference, and you should be part of same percentage of your profit you do sadaqah without niyat of sawab. You should be donate to anyone. Your another question, can you say Islamic view between receiving profit from short term and long term and dividend? It's halal, no problem. If a company is halal, company is doing halal business, no problem. You can invest for short term, for long term, and you can take profit and dividend and anything by this company. It's completely halal for you, no problem. You can do trading for short term, for long term. You can take profit and dividend. It's halal for you, but should be watch on company's balance sheet every quarter, so you can understand company's income of resources, and you can understand debt of company, and you can understand resources of profit and loss. And I hope you understood now well, inshallah. If you have any doubt, no problem, you can revert your email. We will try to reply you our best with references, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.